Goodness is the only investment that never fails. With this thought of Henry David Thoreau, I, Dr. Hardik Panisha, greet you all to this one-day multidisciplinary international e-conference organized by the Rashtriya Sant Tukaroji College, Jammu. To present the research in this conference, the area that we have selected is a CSR initiative during the turbulent times of COVID-19, the cases of Indian companies. This research is carried out in collaboration with three of my other departmental colleagues, namely Dr. Prakash Kumar Patel, Dr. Bakshish Kumar Patel, and Dr. Jignesh Bhatt. Basically, prior to the Companies Act 2013, the CSR was only be taken as the moral responsibility, but it became the matter of compliance once it became mandatory for the certain group of selected companies in the law of 2013. The objective to study the various cases of CSR performed by Indian companies during the turbulent times, and to sustain this objective, the methodology that we have adopted is by reviewing the literature available in the secondary source, like the research magazines, newspapers, and the web pages. To carry on the presentation, furthermore, now I would like to request my colleague Dr. Prakash Kumar Patel to take over the charge. Sir, please.
Thank you, Hardik sir. In the current period of coronavirus, it has been seen that a few organizations are performing various CSR activities and they are also trying to pass key informations and key messages and actions for COVID-19 preventions and control. Now we see how the various organizations have passed the key message of social distance through various social awareness programs. We are aware that the social distance is the only solutions that we have today to prevent and to control the spreading of coronavirus. You can see in the image that how the various organizations have changed their logo to pass the key message of keeping social distance. Here you can see in the slide that how the various organizations have changed their logo to pass the key message of keeping social distance. They have created space in their logo which shows the importance of social distance. Now in the next slide, many organizations have changed their slogans and taglines to pass various messages to prevent and to control COVID-19 in India. You can find the tagline of Nike, if you ever dream of playing for millions around the world, now is your chance. Play inside, play for the world. Likewise, Amul have also delivered a many message in their advertisement campaign such as Namaste, which is the technique for no contact, wearing mask, washing hands and many other messages they have passed. Now instead of Pizza Hut you can see now Pizza Home, which means eat pizza at home. So all this company have promoted stay home, stay safe message to the people. In this way, many organizations have conducted many social awareness campaigns to prevent and to control the spreading of coronavirus.
Thank you, friend. Now, in this part, we'll see some of the best video ad for COVID-19 messages which are available on YouTube. We have selected the brands which are operating their business in India as well. The list includes Jaguar, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Tata Motors, and Gari Detergent. Friends, in their advertisements, they have not only motivated citizens, but they have also acknowledged the efforts of corona fighters. And this is how they have shown their concern to the society. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jignesh Bhatt. In continuation with the CSR initiative taken during this turbulent time of COVID-19, I would like to discuss the cases of Indian companies during the turbulent time as far as the monetary contribution made by various companies is concerned. So there is a list of companies including Infosys Foundation, ITC Limited, State Bank of India, Hindustan Unilever, TCS, Reliance Industries, Mahindra and Mahindra, Godrej Group, and T Series. All these companies have contributed in order to fight with COVID-19.
Thank you very much, sir. So, to conclude the presentation, let me take the privilege to quote the saying of Mr. Ratan Tata, the former chairman of the Tata Group, that business need to go beyond the interest of their companies to the communities they serve. We need government and business to work together for the benefit of everyone. It should no longer be just about typical corporate social responsibility, where the responsibility bit is usually the realm of a small team built in a basement office. Now it should be about every single person in a business taking responsibility to make a difference in everything they do at work and in their personal lives. So with this note, we all four thank you very much to the organizer for giving us an opportunity to present our views in this intellect meet. Thank you.